Driven steel casing piles are cast-in-situ piles in which the steel casing remains in the ground. This piling system is soil-displacing. Driven steel casing piles can be installed to great lengths, are suitable for both compression and tensile loads, and can be deployed quickly and flexibly. The steel casing is driven into the ground over its full length. These steel tubes may include a welded base plate that seals the tube. After driving the casing, reinforcement is installed and the tube is filled with concrete grout. The steel casing remains in the ground. Driven steel casing piles can be applied in residential construction, commercial construction, the energy and petrochemical sectors, and infrastructure projects. The tubes can be used where soil conditions require a permanent casing. A permanent casing can also be selected for heavy-duty piling works. For heavily loaded piles, driven steel casing piles may also offer a cost-effective solution. The casing is driven into the ground by the piling rig using a hydraulic hammer. Once the pile tube has reached the required depth, the hammer is disconnected from the casing. If short reinforcement is applied, concrete grout is first poured, after which the reinforcement is finished at the correct level in the concrete. The driven steel casing pile may be need to cut off to level after installation. In the case of reinforcement over the full length of the steel tube, the reinforcement is installed first, after which concrete grout is poured. Mini piling rigs can be used at hard-to-reach locations with limited headroom and working space. In such cases, the steel tube is built up from smaller tube segments, which are welded together during installation. The available working height determines the length of the tube segments that can be driven.